Hi guys, ito yung mga leftover namin kahapon because the rain came very early. Ayan tuloy, ang dami kong hindi nabenta but I'm gonna reheat it and pack it and will distribute to the homeless. Ayan. There you go guys, I finished packing now. There's some packets that got beef and squid balls. And meron naman yung fish pocket and lumpia. Ayan. There you go. So, and then I bought some Russian roll. Idadagdag natin dito sa pack nila. And I will just gonna buy some juice or water. Hi, good morning, good morning. Today is my birthday. Yes, happy birthday to me. Now guys, I just came from church. Pero, mamimigay po tayo. You know, nakasanayan ko na po tuwing mag-birthday. I want to share some blessings. Ayan. So, magpapak po tayo. Aside po from the leftovers from our flea market yesterday, I also ordered some Russian roll. So, ito po yung packet natin and then we will add this one. Tapos, bibili ako ng drinks. Ayan, isasama ko sa kanila. Mag-isa lang po ako ngayon. Wala akong camera girl. Ayan. So, ayan, ipapak ko na lang po ito and then mamimigay po tayo. And alam nyo po ba, may nakita ko sa Facebook, may couple po na medyo humihingi ng konting blessing. So, bibilhan po natin sila. We're gonna give them something. Ayan, para naman makatulong kahit konti. O, diba? Ayan guys, ito na yung mga nag-grocery ko para sa couple. Ayan, may oil sila, tomato sauce, may beans, may corn meat, may milk, may onions, ayan, may pasta, may sugar. Ito yung para sa drinks ng mga homeless. Ayan, ito, binilang ko pa siya. Mahilig sila sa mga ganyan at saka bread. Ayan, tara, pamimigay na natin yan. Hello. I'm just dropping off. Are you alone? Okay. This will be we are the same age. It's my birthday today. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. And this is really what I wanted to give you. I will bring the other box to the Ayan guys, tara na. Let's see kung may mabigyan tayo sa ano. Mabigyan tayo on the way, pa-uwi. Hello. Yeah.
Mom, I'm eating my food. Thanks.
All right.
Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you. I appreciate.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. God bless you, madam. Yes.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you and your family. Thank you, ma.
Yes.
God bless you, my lady. My lady, I know when you finish check, if there's more, please, I'm really hungry, mommy. I'm hungry. Yes, God bless your family. Goodness, and thank you for helping us. My mom got her food out, man.
Thank you.
I like that soup, madam.
Soup.
Yeah, remember that soup with the noodle? Yeah, I like that one.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Hey,
How are you?
Hey, it's too hot, Mama.
I know. You're
I'm
under the
traveling
heat.
in the sun. It's too hot.
Why?
Yeah. God bless you guys. I see you again next time. Thank you for two. I have one now. I have one later.
Okay, enjoy.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh,
Okay.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can I have another juice? Please, I'm thirsty, ma'am.
Or maybe another food.
Oh! God bless you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, sorry.
Thank you.
Okay.